I get great pleasure when I'm driving around and I see Irish Water vehicles driving. We're among the best and probably the best vehicles on the road. When you look at other utilities and other type vehicles, the specifications that we have, the investment that Irish Water have made in these, there's been no short of investment. They're really there to help the driver, help the whole thing work. We want the whole infrastructure to work properly.
There's somewhere about in the region of 15 to 1800 vehicles out there. We believe that we're leaders in fleet management across the country. For example, we have Van Safe accreditation. We won best safety practice for light commercial vehicles. So that just goes to show you what we're able to do in terms of from a fleet management perspective. And we want to be the leaders out there promoting health and safety across Irish Water.
I'm with Irish Water since 2014. And I was saying beforehand, I would have worked as a traditional reg engineer in different projects and different companies, different LAs and everything. And I think the biggest thing that it's what Irish Water has, and it's part of the change. It's its people and its culture, and it's to work together collaboratively. And I think they're the key things that will help us go forward. I strongly believe this could only happen with a national utility approach, because beforehand we 30 plus local authorities doing their own way. Well, we first of all had 4 local authorities come together in Dublin to develop the specification. The portion of power was spread across. We have these units in Fingal, Dublin City and now Dunleary. And because there was that kind of national approach, these vehicles can be used, and it's a specification by the fleet, so it can be delivered anywhere in the country now. We have a procurement framework stood up to deliver these units.
We've now standardised the fleet, so we have the same type vehicle going across all councils. It means that at some stage, any vehicle from any council can go into each other's council. Again, everybody is trained the same, especially on specialised vehicles, and keep all the fleet the same across all councils has been really important to us. The other thing we're doing, it's huge at the moment, is the introduction of electric vehicles. The government obviously passed legislation in August 2021 saying that 38.5% of all light commercials would have to be EV, and 10% of all heavy commercials would have to be an alternative fuel. So we're complying with that now by introducing electric vehicles.
And especially it's a great story on the islands that we're able to provide them with sustainability. But the most important thing is that we're listening to the workers. We're getting feedback for the people who are actually doing the job on the ground. It's been very positive. They're all very proud of the new fleet that we've provided.
Because without the proper fleet, people can't get there to do what they're doing. So it's been an amazing investment, and we're right up the top. We're right at the top of where we should be.